Have you ever been asked to give a speech and immediately wondered, where do I even start? Whether it's a colleague's farewell, a wedding speech, or a presentation at work, or maybe a keynote on a stage, most people don't struggle with speaking. They struggle with organizing their thoughts. And that's where AI can become your personal speech coach. Let's say I need to give a farewell speech for my colleague Ali. Instead of staring at a blank page, I simply open ChatGPT or my favorite AI tool and start talking. I might say, I've known Ali for 10 years. When we first met during a company sports event, he's fantastic with Excel and Power BI. He's always willing to help others and has been a great teammate. Then I simply add, please prepare a 60-second farewell speech. Within seconds, I have a structured speech with a clear opening, body, and conclusion. But that's only the beginning. For longer speeches, the secret is to provide more context. Tell AI who the audience is. Explain your objective. Share personal stories. Add examples and experiences. The better your input, the better the output. Now comes my favorite part. Once the speech is ready, I use AI to help me practice. While driving, walking, exercising, I can ask it to read the speech back to me. Listening repeatedly helps me memorize and remember the flow naturally without trying to memorize every word. And finally, when I'm ready, I record myself delivering the speech. Today, AI can even review your delivery. It can suggest where to pause, where to smile, and where to add emphasis and how to improve the overall impact of your speech. Think about that. Just few years ago, we needed a coach, a mentor, or a speaking club for every stage of this process. Today, many of those tools are available in our pocket. Technology won't replace your voice, but it can help you find it. And that's what communication is really about. I am Bilal, and this is Telecom Dad.